Hello everybody, I'm Joey Pamuko from Pamuko101.com, Basic Muscle Control 101, and in this video I'm presenting Pamuko 101 biomechanics core ideas. One of the main concept that there is non-conscious brain related to muscle control issues. This is not so controversial issue because there are other examples of non-conscious brain working. Because, for example, eyesight, there is a clearly conscious brain processing the visual image that goes into the brain, but before that there is some kind of a non-conscious brain functionality to perform low-level processing of the data. So, and for example, optical illusions are clearly part of this non-conscious brain malfunctions. And in muscle control, related to muscle control, there are conscious brain that has high-level thoughts and performs high-level commands to the body. And for example, one of the commands is start walking. But then after this conscious brain has issued a command of start walking, then the conscious brain is not doing that much at all. But there is a huge amount of work that somebody needs to do, and that somebody is non-conscious part of the brain. Because somebody needs to command all the 200 muscles that body has, and at least 50 of them have something important to do to generate the walking gait. And who is consciously commanding 50 muscles to walking? And when nobody, usually people don't think about anything related to the nitty-gritty of walking after they have issued the command of just start walking. But there is a massive complexity that something in non-conscious brain needs to perform. And we can call it a device driver. This is a technical term, for example, in computer related issues, but we can make use of using familiar words is beneficial, so we can start calling it a device driver for muscle control. And there is comparable device drivers for eyesight and hearing and commanding the breathing and heartbeat and whatever. There are several device drivers in the non-conscious part of the brain, and muscle control is one of them, comparable. And then some of these device drivers are hardwired, as some are based on learning. For example, eyesight and hearing device drivers are pretty much hardwired because they work pretty much from birth. And we also know that they work pretty similarly to all people. The malfunctions that they have are pretty commonly shared between all the people. Optical illusions are similar to all people. But muscle control device driver is different from these two, because muscle control device driver does not work directly from the birth, and it takes a long time for a newborn child to learn how to walk. And during this time when the newborn child has not yet learned to walk, this muscle control device driver needs to perform learning. And eventually it achieves enough learning, but it doesn't happen straight away. And the malfunctions in the muscle control device driver are also fundamentally different than the for example, optical illusion malfunctions, because the muscle control device driver malfunctions are different to each people, and they change over time, and they are based on learning what you are teaching your muscle control device driver to perform. Those are the things that it can do, and if you have not taught something to the muscle control device driver, then it cannot perform that task. And what you have taught your muscle control device driver is different from whatever neighbor of yours has done to them. So, and there's important to understand that most of the people spend most of their time teaching their muscle control device to do completely wrong things. Sitting and standing are horribly bad exercises that teach horribly bad things to this muscle control device driver. And what is good, then you might ask, and it is a wide variety of sports. Perform 10 different sports, and these teach much better things to this muscle control device driver to perform. And Pamukko 101 exercise program is one of the good ones and one of the best ones, because Pamukko 101 exercise program is able to teach to people that otherwise have very bad muscle control, because they have spent most of their time sitting and standing, teaching completely wrong things, and Pamukko 101 can reverse this process and get rid of the horribly bad teachings that sitting and standing have caused your muscle control device driver to learn completely wrong things. Thank you. See you in the next video.